Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, 3 horses are dead, 4 persons injured, and 14 cars are damaged following what eyewitnesses describe as a frightening experience involving stray horses. The incident happened along the Bernard Lodge Main Road in St. Catherine last night. Motorists say the ordeal brings to light some long-standing issues. Janella Precious has the details.
This is one of the 14 vehicles which was damaged in Friday's incident. Motorists who witnessed what had happened described the horses as wild and out of control. Larkland Brown says he was in his car when
there was like about 7 horses, like running come straight to my car. And, I stopped, just to, see if they would go past me. But instead they go past me, they just start, crashing in the car, jumping on top of the car and jumping on the bonnet. Mash up all of my car, all of my car bonnet, all of the top, the glass, the windscreen, and everything mash up.
He further recalled that the foot of one of the horses was stuck in the broken window.
I was to push it away. I had also lay down on the side of on my side in the car. That's how I didn't get any more serious damage or injury.
Alman Harris, too, had a close call.
And when I grow in the car and when I look, the road was full of a big ass general. I break up, I come to a complete stop. When I come to the complete stop, I look on the other ass in front of me. So. And I stop. Stop when I stop to an inner corner. And next taxi I come now. And just shoot me in at them. And you see from him shoot me in at them, the whole of them just start getting mad around there. Then just start climb up on my bonnet. Run about the place and then run off the road and go in one bush, and by the time we see them gone, you see all of them run come back out and mash up big car we park up on the side.
Most of the motorists with whom we spoke complained that the Bernard Lodge Main Road is becoming increasingly dangerous to drive at night. Already they have to contend with no streetlights, but they say the road is being overtaken by bush. As for horses roaming the main road, they explained it's a regular occurrence. Friday's incident, however, is the worst they've experienced. Another issue: persons whose vehicles are damaged are left to foot the bill. This as the horses cannot be traced to anyone.
Most of the time people always get injury in a car them, because say I ask that. And your vehicle mash up, and when you check, every man I tell you say I don't feed them ass, and you're there on your own with your vehicle, and most of the time the passenger pressure you as the driver.
Past victims who'd been seeking justice say they were told that all horses have a registration number, but
when you get even the number out of the ass mouth as according to where them I say, when you go up there, Racing Commission make it look like say you don't know where you say and where you do. Like it's a ring and rosy business. It's a ring and rosy, like Racing Commissioner even like a shield the owner and the information from you.
In the meantime, the police say the incident is being investigated. They're urging motorists to exercise extreme caution while driving through the Bernard Lodge area. Janella Precious, TVJ News.